Hi, I'm Peggy Farren with Understand Photography. I'm going to show you real quick how to install a Lightroom preset. All right, here we are in Lightroom, but first you need to download the preset. So I'm going to shut that down, and then I have already downloaded the preset and put it on my desktop. So you see it says Peggy's preset. So I'm going to just go ahead and copy that, right click and copy that. And then I'm going to go back to Lightroom, and I'm on a Windows machine. So I'm going to go to Edit and Preferences. Now, if you're on a Mac, you're going to go to Lightroom and Preferences. So then here I'm going to see Presets and Show Lightroom Presets folder. Click on Lightroom and then find Develop Presets. Click on that. And then User Presets, and this is where we're going to right click and paste our preset. So you see it says Peggy's preset template. All right, I'm going to close that and close this, and that's it. I'm going to close Lightroom because the next time I open Lightroom, that preset is going to be installed. So all right, come on Lightroom, let's open up. And you will see over here under User Presets, Peggy's preset is right there.
Get up!